Hello and welcome to Superior Mobile by 13. This is your host 13 with Superior Mobile, and we have Jeff's Dodge Challenger, a 2022, in the shop today. We're going to be documenting the radio replacement that we finally did to this thing. This is the Stinger brand Horizon10. It is a floating tablet style 10-inch screen radio which does not block the AC vents, but the carbon fiber AC vents that improves the velocity of the airflow. It definitely makes it more efficient. This radio does have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so it is currently connected to Jeff's phone, so we can click that. It comes up just like normal, and this Apple CarPlay behaves exactly as you would expect Apple CarPlay to behave. It has all of the apps that you would expect to know and love. Now, one of my favorite features of this particular exact radio right now is this adorable doggo background, and that is because this radio has a customizable user uploadable image background, and we have Super Doggo in there. The radio has soft buttons along the bottom. This one will bring you back to the home screen. This is a favorite button, so it is currently set up to be the climate controls. We have next and we have last. That's the microphone for phone calls. And then this one is set up to just go right back to the Apple CarPlay page. So I'm going to hit this to go back to the main page, and we can show you some of those other features, which actually I wanted to move on to the climate, so I can hit climate there or down here. So for the climate control screen, we have all of the features that you could want. This particular trim of vehicle has the vented and heated seats, so this is also controllable through the radio. Now, for the record, the climate controls down here still operate just as originally intended. Regarding the stereo, the volume knob and that button also works, and our tuner knob and that button also works. That is just a side note. You can see we've got the difference between the driver and the passenger side. Basically, all of the features that we had originally, we still have retained. The backup camera, this is the OEM backup camera, is also retained. There is a bit of an undesirable delay on that thing, but it is what it is right now. It retains the OEM's dynamic parking lines, so when I pull on the steering wheel, you can see they move a little bit. The engine's not running, so I don't have power steering, so I'm not going to break my wrist doing that. For vehicle info, this is really exciting. We can see, number one, it's a black car, which it is. Number two, the black car is sitting on top of adorable doggo. But right now on the screen, we've got our tire pressures that is displayed. We can bring up the gauges. We've got 2 pages of gauges. That rhymes. So we can hit number 2 right over there, and you can see all of the other gauges that we've got. And then we have our performance page, so we can see your speedometer, your RPM, and also our 0 to 60 time, which is 14.4 right now. So if you guys can go faster than that, go do some reckless driving. That's fun. Drive mode is what everybody wants to know about. So you can still change the drive modes on this radio, which is an OEM feature, so you aren't losing any features. And then finally, we've got user settings, which isn't nearly as fun, and I'm not going to go over that because it's boring, but vehicle settings, change the types of settings that were originally with the car. Again, these are just OEM features that are retained. That is your AM, FM, HD radio. We've got Sirius XM, obviously connected to the phone, but you really aren't going to use your phone or Bluetooth music icons because you're always going to be using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. In the center console here, it replaces this little thing right here with a HDMI port, a USB port, and a USB-C port, which you can't see because it's got a bunch of stuff in here, but that is what feeds into here. So we have a USB option where if you put on a thumb drive movies, for example, you could watch them there. All right, so next we've got audio settings, which is again an adorable dog. With a factory amplifier on this car, we really shouldn't be editing the crossover or the time delay settings. We're gonna leave that up to the OEM amplifier, but we still do have the ability to control the balance and to set a custom EQ. In this case, it's just using one of the preset EQs, but you can set it up to be whatever you want on your own, which is pretty cool and pretty powerful. Moving along over here, we have an HDMI input, and what makes this particularly fun and interesting is that if you were so inclined, you could plug in a Fire Stick, and then as long as you use your phone as the Wi-Fi hotspot, you could technically, in theory, watch some movies and stuff while driving around, you know, as long as you don't tell your local police officer or something. One other fun feature of this radio that is really obvious but I didn't talk about is the fact that we have a manual knob for the volume control. This is a really big deal. We still have the steering wheel controls as normal, and we also have the volume knob down here, but the fact that we got a knob up here is pretty rad because that is just something that has fallen by the wayside in most product development, and I like real knobs. This radio does not come preloaded with any Britney Spears music, unfortunately, but you can purchase that separately. And the Bluetooth microphone is installed right up here on this particular install, but it also has an internal microphone right there, which is, you know, acceptable if you're too lazy to install a mic. And that's pretty much it. it. That's the nuts and bolts of this radio. Pricing and product information for this particular install will be in the video description. So if you're interested in this radio for your Dodge Challenger, be sure and check that out. Obviously, if you're not local to me, then find your local Stinger dealer and ask them about installation fees. Or maybe they're running a sale. Who knows? Never know until you ask. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I'll talk to you later. Bye.